comfy pistol.
Good morning, everyone. We are in Calistoga, California. We've been busy the past couple days. We stayed at a Harvest Host in Lodi. We stayed at Viaggio Winery, which actually is Italian for travel and...
Travel or journey.
Travel or journey. Isn't that crazy? There's like 6 Harvest Hosts in the area, and that's the one we ended up at. The grounds were immaculate. Beautiful, beautiful grounds, and we had the place to ourselves after they closed, so it was a really amazing place.
Yeah, they're like, just go walk around, make yourself at home.
Yeah, it's so cool. Oh, and Dave and Pistol swinging on the swing. How cute.
The things I do.
So after the winery, we went over to Napa and spent the night at our friend's house, Lori and Cameron. And man, what hosts. They fed us dinner and breakfast and
wine and
roasted coffee for us. Oh my gosh. And they gave us some green coffee beans, so we're going to try our hand at roasting them. That shall be coming up maybe when the weather's nicer in a later video. But Pistol made a friend.
Otis.
That's Otis. She wasn't too sure at first. But
Otis is just a...
He's a lumbering goofball.
Oh,
he's the
just so happy.
Thing. Yeah, they've got a Class B van as well. They're not full-time, but they do travel a bit in that. And anyway, good time there. And then we buzzed over here to Calistoga, and we're staying at the fairgrounds. And this morning we're at, well, Dave took a run. So check out this view from the top of his run. It's down into, what do you call it, Napa Valley?
Yeah, you see parts of Napa Valley. The trailhead, it's the Oak Hill Mine Trail, and I only ran, it goes quite a ways back, but it's right at the edge of Calistoga, and it just goes, it climbs, well, it's an endless climb. And I went up maybe three or 4 miles up, and then you can see some pretty good views of part of Napa Valley in Calistoga, but it was a little bit... kind of
misty.
Yeah, the visibility wasn't very good when I got to the top. It started to get kind of hazy, but I took a camera just to see what it was like up there. But it's a good way to go burn off some wine calories.
Yeah, gorgeous view.
Yeah.
So anyway, now we are at Old Faithful Geyser of California. Did you even know there was such a thing?
Who knew?
I did not.
I bet a lot of you did. We just didn't.
We didn't, but I'm really excited to see. It's a geyser. Apparently it goes off every 30 minutes or so. And anyway, it sounds like they have a little animal petting zoo area with fainting goats and llamas.
Really?
Maybe. Yes.
I've seen those on TV. I've never seen fainting goats.
They're so funny. Yeah, I've never seen one in real life. So anyway, let's go check this out. See if we can get the geyser. So this was an old steam well here.
Small but mighty steam well was built back in the 1930s. It served a variety of purposes, but was especially useful when it came to cooking. Cooking with steam is a practice that goes back thousands of years. This particular steam well was used to boil eggs and cook pigs. When vaporized, as in the case of steam, water is lighter than air. This is why steam naturally rises, allowing for the possibility of cooking over a well. In wells like this one, the steam would rise up and cook anything placed at the top. With temperatures around 150 degrees Fahrenheit, steam wells provided an easy and natural way of cooking without the use of fire. How cool would that be? Just put some in the basket and put it
Drop some eggs, get some boiled eggs. I bet they peeled good because they were steamed. That's awesome. eruption. That was crazy. Hi. You get food? Oh, yeah, nummies. Which did you like better, geyser or goats?
Geyser.
It's a toss-up. We had a couple goats growing up.
I didn't see any faint, so I was kind of a disappointed.
They did not faint. It was disappointing.
What do you do to make them faint? I mean, I've seen it on TV.
You scare them.
Oh, that would be sad.
It's like a defense thing. Yeah. And they get X's on their eyes and everything.
Their eyeballs are weird.
Goat eyes?
Yeah, goat eyes.
The pupil's kind of more flat, like a warlock or something. Yeah.
Just like a warlock.
I'm serious.
No. Pistol.
I love the geyser. Now, I don't think I've ever seen Yellowstone, Old Faithful. I don't think I have.
I was a kid when I saw it. Seemed much bigger.
Much bigger than this one. Yeah. Now it it was going off about every 3-4 minutes, and then it would just go for maybe 10 seconds or so. But that last one we saw, it was like a couple minutes long, wasn't it? It just kept going and going, and my arm was sore from holding the camera because I wasn't prepared for it going that long, and so I was in an awkward spot. Anyway, that was cool. It just kept going. Nature's weird.
That sounds like a bumper sticker.
Nature's weird.
Nature's weird.
Or science? What is it? Earth? I don't know. So we're somewhere else quite exciting.
We're somewhere else now.
Yes, we are at a petrified forest that has the world's largest petrified tree. World's largest, right? I think that's what the sign said.
Must be true.
So we're going to go check it out.
Saw it on the sign.
Saw it on the sign, read it on the internet. Must be true.
Can we take Pistol?
I think she can go.
Do you want to go see the biggest petrified log? Do you want to go? Okay, come on.
Oh! Oh!
She's excited.
Oh, she is pumped.
Look at her.
So the petrified forest we're about to see, it talks about right here, these coastal redwoods fell like matchsticks in the direction of flow from a volcanic explosion. The source of the blast came from near Mount St. Helena, 7 miles to the northeast. A blanket of volcanic ash covered them for 3.4 million years. Water slowly replaced wood fiber with minerals dissolved from the ash. Modern streams and man have uncovered this buried treasure. Wow. You can't even fathom that, can you? All right, so we're going to take a little self-guided tour through the forest here. So I'm pretty excited. So here's the queen, 8 foot in diameter, 65 foot in length. The tree was estimated to be approximately 2,000 years old at the time of burial. Whoa. Notice the live oak that has grown through the tree. That was pretty darn cool.
What's next? The world's largest ball of twine?
Hey, if it was here, I would go see it for sure. Oh, it's been a fun day. Geysers and...
Geysers and goats and oaks.
Oh, redwoods. Petrified.
Whatever.
Hey, Stole. You're a doll. So, coming up next, we may hook up with our oldest Tyler. He's maybe going to be road tripping and we're going to try and cross paths. I'm not sure about that yet, but we may hit the coast for a period of time and then cut back and head up into Oregon to visit family. And
we're watching the weather forecast, trying to slow down because
it's solid rain, but I mean it's raining here now too, so.
Well, I'll take a 65 and a drizzle over a 52 and pouring rain any day.
That's true. This is very true. Are you wanting to chew your bone? Okay. Come on. Good girl. Happy girl. All right, so that's looking ahead. We'll catch you guys down the line. Carry on.
Carry on.